one of the keys to accelerating development of home ownership is to unlock the wealth that is already tied up in the 5 million homes, or 5 million minus 20,000, which are not mortgaged in any way. So there's a significant pool of liquidity available there that can be unlocked. The question was asked in the context of generational mortgages. So to what extent can parents support their children by unlocking the value tied up in the existing home which doesn't have a mortgage? So that's one solution. There are other solutions, obviously. So we think that the whole advent of home ownership and mortgages will increase. Primarily also because people have different expectations. So I think younger generation people want to fulfill their aspirations in a quicker timescale. They would prefer, we're seeing an increasing trend where people prefer to buy a complete home as opposed to taking 4 or 5 years to build their own home. Obviously, it's the single most important investment decision that the majority of people will make. When I say most important, it's probably the biggest single item of expenditure that anybody undertakes in their life. So it's something that one should try and do as soon as possible. And there's always the tension when you are young, your earnings are generally less than they are when you are in later in life. But I think the reality is for many people, including myself, you should trade up. So enter the market and then trade up as you go, as you get older, and your earnings increase.